Hello and welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be talking about the rlwrap command. The rlwrap command is useful if you're working with some other tool which prompts for input, but it doesn't integrate readline directly. So I'm going to show you a little demo where we make a program that doesn't use readline, and show you kind of what that looks like if you happen to use like arrow keys or other stuff. And then we're going to introduce rlwrap, which is going to fix the problem. So we're just going to make a very, very silly program today. The program isn't actually the point of this video, but we're going to do it anyway. Returns int. Okay, so we're going to make an infinite loop here, and we're going to prompt for input, print a little menu, and then print some output as a response to that. So let's do, what would you like to do? And I don't know, option 1 is greet with hi. Option 2 is greet with hello. And option Q is quit. Response equals input. So we'll prompt with a little thing here. Your response equals 1. Print hi. And then we have our 3 cases here. If it's 2, we'll print hello. If it's Q, oops. Oh boy. If it's Q, we'll print bye-bye, and then return from this program, return 0. Otherwise, we'll print unexpected response and response. And that'll get us a little program here. And so if we run that now, Python 3t.py. If we input 1, we get hi, and it prints the menu again. 2, we get hello. If we put garbage in here, it says, unexpected response. But the problem with this program is if I wanted to, redo the previous prompt on my terminal, I would usually press the up arrow. And you'll notice this caret square bracket A gets print here. This is actually the escape character and then a square bracket and then A, which is the sequence that your keyboard kind of translates to when you type the arrow key in a terminal. But our program doesn't interpret that properly, and what usually interprets that when you're working on a Linux system is a module called readline, or a library called readline, and that implements history searching, arrow keys that move stuff around. So you'll see the right and left arrow keys also produce escape sequences there. If we do Control R, you'll see that we get a different set of escape sequences. Anyway, like this isn't really working as a nice interactive program. But what we can do is we can take that program and we can put rlwrap, which is a program you can install. You can put that in front of your program, and suddenly, if you press the up arrow now, you'll see that you can get the previous stuff here. Also, I demoed this a little bit before. Before I recorded this video, just to make sure I had rlwrap installed. So there's also some prompts from my previous attempt of using rlwrap for this, because rlwrap actually will store history for this as well. So it has all the suite of things that you would want to see there. And also you can do Control R to get a previous command using reverse search as well. Basically all the nice stuff about readline is built into here. But yeah. Figured I'd show you that. rlwrap makes it really easy to add readline to a program which doesn't support it. The first time I used rlwrap was actually in college. I was working with Oracle DB, and I don't know if they've fixed it, but at the time the Oracle DB client was really, really bad. Didn't support any sort of readline stuff, so wrapping the Oracle DB shell with rlwrap made things way, way better. So that was kind of cool. But anyway, hopefully this was useful. If there are additional things you would like me to explain, leave a comment below or reach out to me on the various platforms. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.